Have you ever wanted to know the secret to making a ton of your favorite fluffy treats? Join me as I explore the enchanting realm of marshmallow production, where innovative technology combines with delightful imagination. The story is told by marshmallows, those fluffy, sugary clouds that everyone loves to munch on. We can't get enough of marshmallows, whether we're roasting them over a campfire, mixing them into a mug of hot chocolate, or simply eating them straight from the bag. However, have you ever pondered their production process, particularly in light of the staggering volumes we witness nowadays? Watching this film will give you an exclusive peek into a marshmallow giant factory, where cutting-edge machinery produces millions of these delicious delights every day. We will demonstrate this intriguing procedure in its entirety, beginning with the selection of high-quality ingredients and ending with their packaging. I can assure you that it is both enchanting and mouth-watering. Let's go back in time for a moment so we can understand the historical context and origins. Were you aware that the origins of marshmallows can be found in ancient Egypt? In fact, honey and almonds were originally added to marshmallows prepared from plant sap. The French later perfected the recipe and made the sugary delicacies that we know and love today, which is quite a few centuries later. However, marshmallows did not begin their transition from a high-end treat to a mass-produced candy good until the 19th century. The true paradigm shift occurred during the Industrial Revolution, which ushered in industrialization. The demand for hand-piped marshmallows was increasing, so makers had to think significantly larger to meet them. Technology found its way in at this point. Modern mega-factories take the idea of mass-producing marshmallows to a whole new level, consistently and precisely producing millions of marshmallows every day. This capability was first introduced in the 20th century. Where to find raw materials and ingredients? So let's get down to the ingredients. Sugar, corn syrup, gelatin, and flavorings are the simplest components that bring marshmallow enchantment. No ordinary sugar or gelatin will suffice, though. Big companies only use materials from suppliers that are at the very top of their game when it comes to quality. For the perfect marshmallow, you need 3 ingredients: pure sugar, corn syrup of the proper viscosity, and gelatin, which gives the candy its distinctive texture. Ensuring these substances are of the highest quality is no easy task. Prior to entering the production line, substances undergo rigorous testing to ensure their purity and pH levels. Imagine it as a screening process where only the most deserving chefs pass. There is a strong emphasis on using products that are as natural and sustainably obtained as possible in today's environment, as customers are becoming more health concerned. Speaking of sustainability, a growing number of manufacturing facilities are switching to more environmentally friendly methods of sourcing their raw materials. One example is the growing trend of purchasing gelatin from companies that practice sustainable farming. Gelatin is often made from animal collagen. Also, non-GMO corn can be used to make corn syrup, which is an important component. This is a baby step toward making our baked goods less harmful to the environment. Sugar and corn syrup. Okay, now we can dive into the specifics of producing marshmallows. The foundation mixture must be prepared first. For this, you'll need exact measurements of corn syrup and sugar. The next step is to bring the ingredients to a certain temperature, which will thicken and stickyify the combination. This syrup will subsequently form the sugary base of our marshmallows. While the corn syrup and sugar are simmering, the gelatin is made in a separate pot. To make sure it's completely melted and ready to blend, it's dissolved in water and heated. Because it provides structure, gelatin is essential to marshmallows. Without it, the sweet treat would just be a sugar pool. The exciting part starts with the flavors and additives. A wide range of colors and flavors, both natural and artificial, can be added to the combination in factories. With this stage, you can personalize it to your heart's content, whether it's traditional vanilla, strawberry, or chocolate. Additionally, we must not overlook the additives, which are substances that either lengthen the marshmallow's shelf life or keep them from sticking together. Cutting-edge methods for blending mixers with a high speed. When everything is prepared, the ingredients are mixed using high-speed mixers. The unsung heroes of the marshmallow world are these industrial mixers, which blend everything to a smooth, consistent texture. The automatic mixers eliminate human mistake in batch mixing, which is crucial in the production of marshmallows due to the importance of time. In this stage, temperature control is of the utmost importance. If the temperature is too high, the combination will be excessively watery. If it's too low, it will be nearly hard to handle. To make sure that every marshmallow has the same delicious texture, modern factories use precise temperature control systems to maintain the mixture at the ideal temperature. The aeration phase, which is responsible for marshmallow's characteristic puffiness, comes next. Modern aeration technology is used to whip air into the mixture, resulting in uniform distribution of microscopic bubbles. To make marshmallows that are fluffy, light, and delicious to bite into, this is an essential step. Now that the mixture is ready, shape it with the help of an extrusion machine. To make lengthy, continuous strands of marshmallow, modern extrusion machines are able to push the airy mixture via nozzles. Engineering wonders, these machines can crank out thousands of feet of marshmallow rope every hour. High-speed cutting mechanisms chop the marshmallow ropes into uniform pieces as soon as they come out of the extruder. These machines are incredibly accurate. They can shape marshmallows into any desired shape, be it a perfect cube, cylinder, star, or heart. Speaking of personalized shapes, marshmallow companies frequently employ interchangeable molds and dies to produce a wide variety of designs. Thanks to today's technology, you may find anything, from the basic cube to something completely new. The newly sliced marshmallows are coated with cornstarch so that they don't stick to one another. This process is rooted in both tradition and necessity. For decades, marshmallows have been kept soft and separated using cornstarch. But why limit yourself to only the outside? The use of precise injection technologies allows for the insertion of fillings or taste to some marshmallows. A whole new level of flavor complexity may be achieved with these current techniques, whether it's a blast of fruit flavor or a gooey chocolate center. As if that weren't decadent enough, certain marshmallows are given an extra dose of luxury with unique coatings. Coating machines that run on conveyors take ordinary marshmallows and transform them into gourmet treats by adding chocolate, coconut, or even sprinkles. The production of millions of marshmallows makes automated inspection a must for ensuring product quality. Every marshmallow is inspected for uniformity in size, shape, and texture using high-speed cameras and inspection systems powered by artificial intelligence. Only the finest marshmallows make it to packaging because these technologies are so sophisticated that they can detect the tiniest faults. As part of their quality control procedures, companies take samples from each batch and put them through in-lab testing alongside automated inspections. To make sure the marshmallows retain their delicious flavor even after being stored for a while, these tests measure characteristics like texture and flavor stability. No amount of technology can guarantee that mistakes won't occur. For this reason, manufacturing facilities contain mechanisms to identify and address any discrepancies that may arise. These mechanisms make sure that any problems, such broken machines, or mixed-up ingredients are identified and fixed fast. The next step is to package the marshmallows if they pass inspection. Fully automated packaging lines allow modern companies to pack each marshmallow rapidly and hygienically. While keeping to the strictest of hygiene standards, these lines can fill and seal bags with ease. To keep them fresh for longer, many marshmallows are vacuum sealed to eliminate air, which shortens their shelf life. From the factory to your cupboard, these marshmallows will remain fresh and fluffy thanks to this technology. Last but not least, high-speed labeling equipment are used to label and brand the packaging. These machines check that all of the necessary features, such as the brand's emblem and nutritional information, are printed on each package. Transporting marshmallows in a temperature-controlled environment is of the utmost importance when it comes to cold chain logistics. Whether they're being sent across town or across the globe, cold chain logistics keeps marshmallows tasting great the whole way. In the background, sophisticated tracking technologies keep an eye on the whole distribution network, guaranteeing that the marshmallows will reach their destination promptly and undamaged. The supply chain cannot function reliably and efficiently without these systems. Sustainable manufacturing has seen a significant uptick in support in recent years, and this trend has led to some interesting innovations in the marshmallow industry. Companies are decreasing waste, recycling production byproducts, and investing in energy-efficient machinery. In addition to helping the environment, these initiatives will likely appeal to the growing number of customers seeking out green items. The manufacturing of marshmallows is being transformed with the advent of AI and robots. These technologies are enhancing production speed, efficiency, and precision, with examples including AI-driven quality control and robotic arms handling packing. We should anticipate even more advancements in the future as AI keeps becoming better. So after marshmallows, what's the plan? More nutritious alternatives with less sugar are on the rise, as are marshmallows with unique flavors sourced from all over the globe, and even vegan and gluten-free varieties to meet individual dietary demands. What the future brings for this timeless delight is anyone's guess, and the possibilities are thrilling. It takes a lot of effort to make millions of marshmallows daily. Ensuring uniformity and high quality in such massive volumes is a major obstacle. To maintain such high standards, factories must continually monitor and tweak their procedures to guarantee that every marshmallow satisfies them. Production of marshmallows can be significantly affected by disruptions in the global supply chain. Manufacturing facilities need to be ready to respond rapidly to unforeseen challenges, such as ingredient shortages or transportation delays. Maintaining uninterrupted manufacturing typically necessitates having backup suppliers or alternate transportation routes. In the end, companies need to follow all the rules and regulations that pertain to the food sector, including those that concern health and safety. There are strict regulations covering everything from hygiene to labeling, and businesses risk closure or heavy fines if they don't follow them. That is why it is paramount for every big factory to comply with regulations. Personalization is king in today's industry. For parties, events, or other special occasions, customers may now place orders for marshmallows in a variety of forms, colors, and flavors through some mega manufacturers' custom marshmallow services. In today's cutthroat business climate, this trend is both a fun and strategic strategy to attract and retain customers. Online and social media campaigns are quite important. In an effort to engage customers and foster brand loyalty, companies are getting inventive, using anything from Instagram-worthy photographs to popular TikTok videos. Lastly, interactive tours are becoming more common, with some manufacturers even welcoming the public through virtual or in-person visits. These tours provide customers an opportunity to witness the making of their favorite sweets up close and personal, giving them a glimpse into the production process. Establishing credibility and establishing a stronger bond with customers can be achieved through this method. So there you have it, the complete process of making a marshmallow from start to finish. It's a method that combines old and new ways of making one of the most famous candies in the world, utilizing industrial technology. Conclusion: the creation of marshmallows exemplifies the remarkable progress we have made in the field of food processing, as we have seen. From their humble beginnings in ancient Egypt to the modern-day mega factories that produce them, marshmallows have come a long way. Sweet delight. Who can say what the future holds for these fluffy treats as technology continues to advance? The history of marshmallows, from their production facility to your plate, is an interesting and delightful one.